Okay, taking a look at this 49 Chevy truck. This truck has got amazing patina on it. Just looks fantastic. Great driving truck. Truck's sitting on a 90s S10 frame. Regular cab long bed frame, so no sectioning needed on the frame. Just an amazing build, good driver. It's been my driver for the last month, and I mean, it runs out good. It's a turnkey truck ready to go. Truck's got the 5.3 fuel injected LS motor. It was a low mileage motor when installed, all stock. 4L80 trans, which has been rebuilt. 02 Camaro Posi rear end. Got some nice Camaro rims on it. All new wiring, headlights, signals, everything works. Finished out interior. New seat, matching door panels and headliner. Insulated and new rubber gaskets, new glass, working wipers, new gauges all working, retro Bluetooth stereo, AC heat. AC will run you out, it's ice cold. Just really everything you want. Really solid, really nice interior. There is rust on the cab corners. I mean, it was set up just to be a cool shop truck driver. Floors are all solid, mounts are all solid. It's a nicely built truck. Look under the hood, we got the 5.3 motor, power steering, power brakes. Just a turnkey truck ready to jump in and go. Headers going into some nice sounding mufflers. Gives it a nice rumble. Definitely not obnoxious or too loud in the cab. That's just kind of what you want to hear.